Start. Arvind Kejriwal in this appeal has challenged the order and judgment passed by the trial court and the High Court of Delhi, upholding his arrest by the Directorate of Enforcement on 21/3/2024 . A number of legal pleas and issues have been raised, including the scope and violation of Section 19 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, 2002. We have heard learned counsel appearing for both the appellant as well as DOE at some length, albeit hearing is yet to conclude and considered decision will take time. In view of the prolongation of proceedings, in the hearing held on 3/5/2024, we had put the parties to notice, that the court may examine the question of grant of interim bail/release. Accordingly, we have heard arguments on the said aspect. The investigation by the DOE resulted in filing of the first prosecution complaint on 26/11/2022. The special court took cognizance on 20/12/2022. Thereafter, DOE has filed 4 supplementary prosecution complaints. CBI has filed a charge sheet, followed by 2 supplementary charge sheets. However, charges have not been framed. At this stage, it is not possible for us to either conclude the arguments or finally pronounce the judgment. However, there is an intervening factor which has prompted us to consider and pass the present order, namely, 18th Lok Sabha general elections, which are in progress. As the appeal is pending before us, we do not think it would be proper for us to direct the appellant Arvind Kejriwal to approach the trial court for interim bail/release. This may not be apt in view of the legal issues and contentions that are under examination and consideration before us. It is no gain saying that general elections to Lok Sabha is the most significant and an important event this year, as it should be in a national election year. Between 650 and 700 million voters out of an electorate of about 970 million will cast their votes to elect the government of this country for the next 5 years. General elections supply the visa viva to a democracy. Given the prodigious importance, we reject the argument raised on behalf of the prosecution that grant of interim bail/release on this account would be giving premium of placing the politicians in a benefic position compared to ordinary citizens of this country. While examining the question of grant of interim bail/release, the courts always take into consideration the peculiarities associated with the person in question and surrounding circumstances. In fact, to ignore the same would be iniquitous and wrong.